Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix we have Gracie. Now, Gracie came out and she has these few questions to ask. She said that she would like an answer to these questions. So, guys, go ahead and go watch the video, hear what Gracie has to say, what these questions are, and why she's asking these questions. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their beautiful birthdays, have yourself a wonderful day, and I wish you joy, love, peace, prosperity, and happiness throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies and my supporters out there, I wish you a wonderful night and a blessed
Come in and look for uno. Okay. Me a couple question to ask. I'm not gonna say what Donna, cause I'm not afraid of people name. Donna sat at the table yesterday was wrong. But what I'm going to say, Donna, the wrong timing. Wrong timing. Just when the people might eat, you're going to say in front of everybody what people do and who people carry news. Donna, you carry news from Wally too. You carry news from Wally. You gotta give a dose of your medicine. Wally for recipients them. Remember, sir, you did tell it and the donors and things about them and they stop and give them. And if about tasting I donors them about some recipient them. No sin, no unpunished. Anything a man saw that him a go reap. Then you carry news from Wally too. You carry news from enough of the recipients them. So even if somebody around you do it. Sandra, me chat. I blog me a blog. When you blog about Nicki Minaj and King Kim Kardashian, they answer you? No, but people still blog about them, though. You know, stop people from give them opinion. You come blog from Biden or Trump. He answer you? No, but the people still come out and say what they must say upon them, though. Who you think on the Buddha God is that nobody knows who come out and can talk about she. If we can't talk about Biden, when they answer yes or no, we still gonna talk. Whether Kim Kardashian gonna answer yes or no, we still gonna talk. Whether Spice gonna answer yes or no, we still gonna talk. Whether Andrew gonna answer yes or no, we still gonna talk. So what make it make sense? Make it make sense. What you say? How it go? Hey, someone dark and illiterate and dunce and fooler than me, you know. I mean, I like talk to people duncer than me, you know. God, no. Anybody slower than me, I don't like that. Anyway, back to the conversation before we were interrupted. It was not the right place to talk about certain things. Because you say you're here a long time. So you're bringing people and they just to belittle them. Because who you talk about the right side table, you know? Who you talk about the right side table I go eat with you now? You're bringing people them back right there so to belittle them. Because we all know where the voice note and who did say what on the voice note. And we all know who you're talking. You bring the people them right there to belittle them. In a public space. Which you always do. You do it to the recipients them so many times. Bring them to belittle them. Even if somebody did tell donors enough thing you tell donors about recipients, let them stop give them. So you get to do it for your own medicine. Why when we get to do it for our own medicine, we don't like it. Why when we get to do it for our own medicine, we don't like it. We dish out when God dish back out the way, we don't like it. No sin go unpunished. God is not mocked. Whatever a man sweat that him a go reap, the Bible say it and ain't me. But even if me want anybody who me want take, so you never use a response recipient man and talk about who they want to take and who they want to take. The same dose of medicine you get back. The same dose of medicine you get back. What's wrong? Why you have to carry people at a table to eat? The Bible says, bless them that curse you, bless and curse not. You feed them. You offer them chicken, good plate with chicken for go around for everybody take out piece. And at the same time, you be little people them over and chat over food where you going to give them. You chat over food where you give people them. At the same time, you offer them and you cost them. You talk about the people them out of your mouth and you offer them the food same time. Me not tell no lie, Donna. Me couldn't take nothing from you. I'm afraid of you. Donna, me couldn't take a drink of water from you after me see what you do to the people them. Me couldn't take a drink of water from you after what me see you do with the people them. I only for recipient you carry news pan. Say if somebody with around you carry news pan, you nothing wrong. The somebody where you talked about yesterday, they're right at the table. They're right at the table. Yeah, be little people and I talk about give them this and that and turn this and give them this. Pass this for army who don't have none. When the two fake man, when it come to food, we don't like when people talk about food, man. Go on, man. Yeah, get somebody sitting. I gotta say, pass this, get them. Come off of this. Tired of you know. Come off of this, man. Come off of this. One way your Buddha, one way your Buddha alive. We don't have something bad mind. You need to go on a church more than me. Can your Buddha with her? We don't know. You see how far she there from God. We don't see how far she there from God. And she only go draw this man and carry her go church. No see right of God upon her face countenance. You see her countenance sit down like when they press out breadfruit, like when they press platen. No pleasantness on her countenance. And she only go draw back on church and say she can't find back her joy because she lost it. And when you see she come out here go like she at peace, she miserable. And she only carry go church this morning and say she can't find her joy. She miserable. Because at a point of time, Anne-Marie, big up yourself. At a point of time when she should be rejoicing and happy. Say, you know, she reached her 5th year. She could have done. I show miserably this yesterday and uncomfortable and this. You just make the enemy them. You can't, me know you classify me as one of your haters them. You may call people like me. Sister, you are fake yesterday. No peace not upon your face. Your countenance was never pleasant. Somebody will feel rejoice and say, yes, me reach 5 years. I best speech that you could have get. Somebody will feel rejoice yesterday and say, yes, I have accomplished this in 5 years. You look so uncomfortable and miserable. You just have fake it yesterday. You're at the table with so many people you have so much in your heart against. And you have fake with the people. And where you can them got dinner? If you little lamp on your life? Why you care the people them got dinner? If you celebrate a moment and the people them, some of the people you say do you so much, have done you so much, don't bring them set there with your man. If they know them are going to distract you, don't bring them. Right at the minute where she feel, where you say, all right, everybody are going to eat. And then me she ready to tell them who wicked, who stab her in her back, who talk about her man, but who should deal with, and who this, and who that. Talk about yourself, man. The next time you got a table, talk about yourself, because I will heap you the people too. I will heap you the people. You know, me feel sick this man nationals. I have a drama one page me going on. Exactly Lataya. People only do things for likes. No genuine, no sincerity, no there. Over a drama one page me go yesterday, you know, me fall and me kind of my lips swell. So me say me feel sick. So me say me nah do no lies, you know. And me say, you know, say. And me say, you know, say, me not like this. And me go by drama one page, me see my play part-time video. You know, me not watch her. So I drama one more time, you know, he have a little sketching or something. And me will listen. Sometimes the caption sound like sitting on me want to listen to. And me go over there. Me say, but what this? And me go catch you live. Because I don't want to catch part of live and come out contact there. You say, Gracie, me watch you live. And nation as I feel long while, I watch out to one live what she do. Sit down and listen to what she has say. And I sit and I listen to what she say. And me say, you know, so me not like this, oh, the woman do this. And me say, you know, so me not want to do a live this man because I don't feel too well. And me take my phone and me looking at my WhatsApp. Me say, you know, so me still have a drama one number. Me I go send him a voice note. And me say, no, me I go send him a voice note and make him play it out. And somebody want me chat and me not call him. When I look at my phone, me say his number save in my email. And me say, no, so me I go send him a voice note and tell him. And if he want to play upon him live, I saw he go, because I not keep no secret. And I say, you know what, I don't want to mix up out there with my name. Because you say, Gracie, I still going to chat with that, the one over there. So I say, I take my phone and do a reel. I say, let me do a live because I not response. As a big doctorate now. Remember, you graduate from all of the other names. And you're a doctorate now. Your people, them know when everybody is, and they don't know if you tell us, say, that's not the attitude, that's not the characteristic of a doctorate person with doctorate. Them the behavior, no fear behavior. Remember, you know, the mix-up page, you know, so you say, you know, but we know you're one of the biggest mix-up out here. Remember, you know, the mix-up page like me. So if it's your page will stand out from all our page. What we do on our one, you know, if we do on yours. Then the attitude the way you talk on feel life and behave. People expect that from me. Then right now, some people would expect that from me, but to me, know you stay, me not expect nothing good from you. You're not surprised me with nothing again. Me no expectation for your name again. No expectation. You fool, you look followers, them who don't know right from wrong. You can't fool me. So me no expect no good from you. Not no good will come. Not no good. Me no expect it. You basically people empire life all the time. You do it. You do it to the recipient them. You do it to workers. A long time you do it to your worker them and you still do it. You care everybody for heat at the table. Why you behave like that? You should be happy yesterday, rejoice and say, look how much good things God do for you. You could have said, God, me thank you for and bring me from here, so. God, me thank you for and bring me from this. So. You should have said, no, boy, looking at yourself and say, boy, if negativity could have stopped me, it would have stopped me long time, so I'm never have pay negativity in my mind. Why a big statement? That's a big statement the way you make at the table and everybody eat. It doesn't sound good. It doesn't sound good. And I could look at a couple of the workers, them was sit down at the table and I see their face. I can see that they feel be small before everybody. All the while they be little people for your life. Because your followers, them bill and mix up, so you have to have something mixed for them. And by belittling people for humanitarian just to keep your followers entertained, that does not look good. That's a shame. As somebody with doctorate with your name, just to keep your followers them entertained. Imagine now Majesty left from England come over there. And you could look in the comment section. Majesty a drama, Majesty a this, Majesty a that. As a big humanitarian person page. This is what your followers, you and your followers, them do all the time to people. As a person with humanitarian behind your name. You cannot be like everybody else out here. Remember, you're not a blogger. They say you're a doctorate now. They say you're a doctorate now. You're not a blogger. You can't do like the drama one over there, so. And you can't do like Gracie. God blog, we blog. You're a humanitarian. Stand out with that name. I understand Unique that she's Earth on the inside Unique. Not only she's Earth on the inside Unique, but workers are Earth too. And at all time I see social media, they push other people Earth aside and they highlight this lady Earth like it's only she's Earth out here. It's not she alone Earth Unique. A lot of